Hello everyone, this is Masi Mysterioso here. Welcome to Papa's Pancakeria. I have not played a Papa Louie game in a very long time, and I kind of miss them, and there's some I like more than others, and this is one of them I actually like, because it's kind of just fun. I don't know, it's satisfying. Also, it's very nostalgic for me. I played this a lot when I was in early grade school, and yeah, even though I played this a long time ago, there's no saved slot, even though it automatically is supposed to save, but I don't know why it doesn't. Cooper finds a job. Okay, we don't even know the intro. And I have a bit of a strategy I do specifically for this game. Yes, I know, this is my childhood, man. I don't need the tutorial. Why do you make us do that? That doesn't make sense. Keeping an eye on this. And if I remember correctly, this is coffee, but it's not unlocked yet. I'll show you the strategy after the tutorial thing because it's just so picky with. Oh, no, 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 you can't do your strategy yet. We need to show you everything. Stupid. Okay. Oh, well. I'll show you the strategy in the next sort of shift in this. I just spit all over the place. I just spit on my keyboard. I'll try to describe the strategy though. It's to pre-cook a lot of pancakes, kind of like what McDonald's does with their burgers. But yeah, that's kind of the strategy. Just pre-cook a bunch of pancakes and all that. Oh, and also, I remember that there are waffles appear eventually, but I forget when they show up. Oh my gosh. Four slices of butter. That's not very even. It's fine, it's fine. Oh, my left eye is itching. Okay. Moving on, come on. Oh gosh, why am I on so much? Yeah, sure, I'll play one. No, let's see. No, damn it. Damn it. Okay, well, that's fine. Okay, there's no ad. Even though it said there was. Bananas? I love bananas. Alright. Now I think this is a point where I can do my little strategy, which I kind of call the fast food strategy, sort of. So I'm just gonna fill the whole thing with pancakes. And give me a second. Okay, quickly. Okay, that should be enough pancakes for the whole day, right? Oh, one more. Okay, start the first one. Wait, is this Peggy's order again? I think it is. Yeah, that is Peggy's order. It's the blueberry pancakes and all that. Just 3 pancakes and a pat of butter. Doesn't feel like it's going much faster, does it? Yay! Closer's happy. Eesh. Pizza Pachinko. Oh yeah, I remember this one. It's another dollar, it's fine. Alright, moving on. I'll do one more shift. Ooh, chocolate chips. I'll do one more shift with this. Then I'll move on to the next game. Or I'll end the video and then move on to the next game. Rico? Is that you? Yeah, it's you, Rico. Why did I do it like that? That's a stupid idea. Oh, also forgot about the French toast business there. That's my favorite breakfast thing, French toast. Is this a new customer? Taylor? Oh, this is why I would never want to work in a restaurant, because I would forget so many things and I'd probably cause a whole thing to burn down. Oh, no, no lags, no lag, okay. Anyone else? No, that's it, okay. Kahuna. That's his name, Kahuna. Oh, man. hunt. What's this one? Stop lagging. I don't know why this thing keeps lagging so much. No, I'm not gonna play that again. Oh, well, yeah. Alright. I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you all very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I also hope that this was very nostalgic to some of you. And if it was nostalgic, then please leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you were to do those two things, it would help my channel, both personally, and also would help my channel in the algorithm. Also, doing those two things tells me that you actually like my videos and enjoy them, and you want to see more videos. And also, doing those things actually helps me out personally, so thank you again. If this was nostalgic, then also leave a comment, because, you know, anyone that shares memories of playing this game as a kid in, like, early grade school or kindergarten, you know, leave a comment. And I will see you all in the next video. See you then.